so green and tail so long, chirping loud a happy song, dancing on the mango tree, calling come and play with me. Sing, sing, little parrot, colors bright and voices sweet, flying high above the treetops, spreading joy with every beat. Talking, laughing, full of cheer, whispering secrets in my ear, nibbling guavas bright and round, making music all around. Talking, laughing, full of cheer, whispering secrets in my ear, nibbling guavas bright and round, making music all around. Sing, sing, little parrot, colors bright and voices sweet, flying high above the treetops, spreading joy with every beat. Morning sun and sky so blue, parrot plays in drops of dew, spreading wings so wide and free, singing songs for you and me. Morning sun and sky so blue, parrot plays in drops of dew, spreading wings so wide and free, singing songs for you and me.